At West Coast Solar, we want our solar energy systems to be attainable and affordable for everyone in Northern California. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, here are 5 financing options for you to consider when going solar. When you're ready to go green, we'll find the best solar financing solution for you. We'll discuss your financial situation and the financing requirements for each option along the way to get you the absolute best savings in the process. When you purchase a solar energy system, you'll enjoy many ownership benefits. For instance, if you qualify, you can receive a tax credit up to 26%, increased property values, and the ability to use your clean energy to your benefit. Solar systems are recognized as a safe, viable investment for homes and businesses alike. Now, more than ever before, local, regional, and even national lending institutions are offering solar loans to help people go green at affordable rates. The PACE loan program is designed to encourage solar energy installations by reducing or even eliminating the upfront cost to go solar. Property owners can pay more property taxes for a given time and enjoy all the benefits of solar energy along the way. From purchasing solar panels to financing your system, we make harnessing the sun's energy to power your home or business affordable and accessible for everybody out there. So talk to our team to find the best option for you. Are you ready to finally go green? We'll contact West Coast Solar team to get a request for a free quote and get started today. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Have an awesome day.